Hi guys, welcome to Maneuver. This video is about TISBAT 2020 which is on 9th of August. So earlier they had planned to take your exam on 2nd of August, but now exam date they have extended, which is nothing but 9th of August. So in this video we'll talk about what to do for next couple of days. So most of you have done with your preparation, but some of the students are lacking in their score and the GK. So as we have got many requests regarding the GK, so that's why we have launched GK Booster program which take care of 2000 plus question, which are very important question guys. Before you write the actual exam, you should go through all these GK question. Bare minimum 60 to 70% question you will be getting from this PDF only. So about this booster program I'll talk further. Next is interview part, and last one is the mock series, which is based on the new pattern. As we all know, TISBAT have changed the paper pattern and your exam will be remote based online. Okay, so kindly go through their official website and read all the guidelines for the exam. So this is what the selection process and the criteria guys for both the campus Tuljapur and Guwahati. So those who have applied for the BA Honors Social Work or the BA Social Science for Tuljapur campus or BA Social Science for Guwahati campus, for them TISBAT score will be 40% for the BA Honors, 70% for BA Social Science and 70% for the BA Social Science for Guwahati campus. 12th weightage in all the cases 30%. Very important, online personal interview for BA Honors Social Work student for Tuljapur campus, which weightage is 30%, and for other courses it is not applicable. So this is what the break even of your 100 marks. So although you have scored good marks in your TISBAT and you have a good 12th grade also, but equally you have to perform in your interview as well. So don't take it lightly guys, prepare for the interview also. In your GK Booster program we have launched 1000 plus most important static GK, 1000 plus current affairs question. So kindly go through all these questions at least 2 times guys. So revision is very important so that you can remember the data till the exam. So most of you have done with your preparation for the English, maths, logic, but GK is the area where many people are still struggling. So all the students, those who have not yet started even the GK preparation, just go through all these static and the current affairs question guys. I can bet you 60 to 70% question you will be getting from this PDF only. So those who want to join the GK Booster interview or the mock program, kindly visit manuedu.com website. This link I have given in the description, so kindly check the description. From here go to the buy online BBA entrance. From here you can see sectional courses, full course, books and mock series. So if you click on the sectional course show package, scroll down in the last, you will find here TISBAT 2020 GK Booster 2000 plus questions and TISBAT 2020 personal interview program as well. So once you join this program, immediately this get activated and you can start going through all the questions. Same goes to the interview. If you click on the view details of the interview part, so these are the detailed topic which is important for the interview. Same way if I go back, so here you can see mock test program, just click on the mock test. So here you can find TISBAT new pattern 5 mock test. Do attempt the mock test guys. Without writing the mock test, don't write the actual exam, otherwise you will be putting yourself into the fire. So this is very important to attempt the replica of the mock test based on the actual TISBAT exam. Alright guys, so prepare well for next couple of days so that you can score good marks in the TISBAT, as well as you should perform well in the interview also. So in case if you want to join the program, kindly visit manuedu.com/BBA entrance. Link I have already given in the description. So kindly check the description. For any query and assistance you can call on 8828581455. All the very best for your exam guys. Thank you.